सर आज एक इनिशिएटिव्ह चालू केल्लो आसा GI मॅपिंगाचो लॉंग पेंडींग डिमांड ऑफ दी म्युनिसिपालिटी आणि वी हॅव हर्ड दॅट वास्को म्युनिसिपालिटी विल बी दी फर्स्ट इन साऊथ गोवा. What is this initiative all about, and how will it help the municipality?
It's a GIS-based mapping for the property tax assessment. What has been observed is that most of the structures and dwelling units have not come on board. So this has resulted in a revenue leakage for the municipality, and that's why they cannot even be self-sufficient. The whole purpose is to make them self-sufficient. So we are conducting a GIS-based survey to bring all the structures, both authorized and unauthorized, in the gambit or tax ambit, also for service charges. Okay, so with this kind of exercise, everything will be transparent. Public will be able to see that. It will be displayed onto the One Goa based map. Okay, and there's accountability and transparency which will be actually initiated and will be implemented over here. So that's the purpose. More important, will be able to get the tax, and they'll be able to have a better control over the tax reforms. Management of the taxes. That is the main purpose and the whole exercise, including garbage captures. Also, future we are planning to link that with my construction license model. Any encroachments future and all that can be also trapped at that very point.
So it is going to be like a single platform for everything, portal for everything.
For everything, because we're integrating this with the other departments, the land and survey records plus every department, all these things.
Sir, when this project is done and the houses come in there, especially the unauthorized, there are some fears that people might think that payment made by the unauthorized houses will make them legal. Anything on that?
No, in fact, this does not change the legal status of that particular structure. Okay, in what happened, we are only charging. The purpose of doing this survey is to actually collect the charges for the services rendered by the municipality.
Okay,
that is the only purpose. The legal standing does not change at all. It is totally thereafter that same structure can also be demolished. We don't know.
Okay, so collection of house taxes and other
assessment. This doesn't change the legal status of that particular.
Many times we have realized that some houses are present and they are paying house taxes. When you go in reality, they have already expanded 3 floors. So all these things will come into account.
Absolutely. In fact, all the extended areas will be taken, will be captured, and they will be including the occupiers and all that. So every structure will be.
So it is going to be a real time.
Real time. In fact, a real time. In fact, you will be able to view that particular thing on the One Goa as well.
So the municipality has to pay some funds, or in the start.
Right now, this is being financed from the 15 Finance Commission grants. The municipal funds have been taken, deposited, to the extent of the existing things down there. We will be deferring the expenses, the cost for this, and over and above that, whatever they will have to pay separately, because those were not in the register. You cannot even.
So it is going to be a one-time fee, or it is going to be?
This is going to be one time.
So it's going to be one-time investment where the municipality will be earning on a regular basis.
And then regular every year you'll be recovering that. In fact, within 2 years you can recover the entire amount which you have invested.
So the money for this is going to come through the 15 Finance.
Yes, 15 Finance, bulk of it.
Okay.
Because we don't have a control of how many unauthorized dwelling units have actually already been raised.
So when does the work start, and when does the entire survey?
We have already issued the letter for work order for them on the 14th of June, right? 14th of June we have done that.
Okay, and how long is it expected to?
The entire project for the entire South Goa is supposed to be completed in 18 months.
In 18 months?
In 18 months.
So Morumuga Municipal Council will be even faster?
Yeah, we are starting off immediately.
Okay.
It's already started. Work is started. Their team is already here. 40-50 surveys already on board.
Oh, your name, sir?
My name is Savi. From
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
He's the director for Colpro, the agency who's undertaking this.
Sir, boliye.
So this is going to be an extensive survey, and it is as per the guidelines of Ministry of Finance and MoHUA. So this will basically make this municipal council self-dependent. So I will request all the property holders and all the councillors to cooperate so that we can help the municipal council to earn their own revenue. Thank you.
चेअरपर्सन आयज तुमची मिटींग जाली. GI मॅप जायतो एक लॉंग पेंडींग तुमचे ड्रीम आशिल्लें फॉर रेवेन्यू जनरेशन एंड गॅप क्लियर करपा खातीर.
आमचो बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम आसलो रेवेन्यू जनरेट खातीर, आनी हो एक आमकां मेजर बूस्ट जालो. हालींच आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटीचे नशीब ओपन जालें जाल्यार तुवें पळयलें जाल्यार HPCLाचे आमी पयरूच आमचे पयशे मेळ्ळे. तशेंच आतां GI मॅपींग आमचे पर रेकॉर्ड आमचे 33,000 हावजीस आमकां आसा, पूण बाकीचे रेकॉर्डाक ना. इवन दो हिंगा बेस्ट थिंग कितें आसा, आमची जी प्रॉपर्टी जी नेवीची आसा आमकां एंट्री करूंक मेळना. आमकां खबर ना कितले फ्लॅट्स आसा ते, पूण हितून इन्क्लुडींग सेंट्रल प्रॉपर्टी जी आसा, नेवी आसूं रेल्वे आसूं, जे आमच्या लिस्टान ना, दे आर नॉट पेईंग एनीथींग. पूण ते आतां हितून अंडर येतले बिकॉज डायरेक्टली मिनिस्ट्रीसून येता म्हटल्यार आमकांय बरें आसलें बाबा. आमकां आतां फंडाचो एक तर हें बरें वचून जालें. हांव इतलें सांगता बाबा, सगळ्या कावन्सिलरांनी एक आपणाचो भाग म्हणून, आपणाचो वांटो म्हणून सगळ्यांनी भाग घेवन आपणाच्या वॉर्डान करपाक जाय. इवन MLA मिनिस्टर आसून तेंच्यांनी हातभार लावपाक जाय. खंयच आमी चुकपाक ना. खंय तरी आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी आमची स्थिर दवरपाक जाय, आमची एरिया आमकां बरी दवरपाक जाय, क्लीन दवरपाक जाय. हेतून आमकां हातभार लावंक पडटलो. आनी बरी गजाल आसा की खूबच वर्सां जालीं आमी असले आमकां रेकॉर्डाक काय मेळनासलें. आतां सुरवात जातली आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी बरे हेचेर मार्गार लागतली.
खंय तरी 15 फायनान्साचे फंड्स जेन्ना एलोकेट जातले, तुमच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक कावन्सिलाक बी त्रास जातलो?
डेव्हलपमेंटाक त्रास जातलो. आतां जेन्ना 15 फायनान्साचे आमचे पयशे जेन्ना तेंच्यांनी घेतले 5-6 करोड, म्हणजे खंय तरी आमकां कावन्सिलरांकूय मार पडलो. कित्याक लोकांची अपेक्षा आसता कावन्सिलर आपणाच्या वार्डान कितें करपाक जाय म्हणून, पूण आमी एक्सक्यूज दिवंक शकना. पूण इतलेंच हांव सांगूंक शकता, आमकां लास्ट टायम आमी जेन्ना मिटींग घेतलेली आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन, तेन्ना तेणी प्रॉमीस केल्लें कित्याक तुमकां खंयसून ना खंयसून गव्हर्मेंटाचे फंड एक्स्ट्रा दिवन तुमचे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क दवरपा ना. कित्याक आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क करता जाल्यार आमकां फाटल्या इलेक्शनाक थोड्यांक इलेक्शनाक बी रावपाचें आसता. आनी इलेक्शनाक रावपा जाल्यार कित्याक तुजो कितें तुवें ते 5 वर्सां रावन कितें केलें. पूण आमी आमचे पयशे आमचे कडेन कांय इतले पयशे नासता की आमी थंय घालून कितें करूंक शकता. होच जो फंड आसता थंयसर आमी आमचे गटर जावन आमची गल्ली जावं कितें पेवर्स बीन घालून जाल्यार एक लोकांक बरें दिसता. पूण जेन्ना तूं कांयच करना जाल्यार एक तुवें क्वेश्चन मार्क आसता, बाबा तूं फुडल्या हाका येतलो काय ना येतलो. पूण खंय तरी आमकां हेतूनय मातसो गव्हर्मेंटान मातसो हेल्प केलो आनी आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट वर्का खातीर आमचो फंड आमकां दिलो जाल्यार बरी गजाल जातली. कित्याक आत्तां हांवें आयकलां कितें आमचे कावन्सिलर थोडे म्हणपा लागले, थोड्यांनी आपणाचो फंड ऑलरेडी युटिलायज केलो म्हणून 15 फायनान्साचो, आनी तांकां सांगलां काय 16 फायनान्साचे पयशे तुमकां हांगा घालतले म्हणून. तशेंच आमी चिंतलां बाबा आमचे तर पयशे आमकां मेळटा आनी आमकां डेव्हलपमेंटाक काम करना, वेल एंड गूड. आनी हितून मातसो CMान आनी आमचे वास्कोचे आमदार जावन नाल्यार आमचे मिनिस्टर मोविन सरान संकल्पान हें करून मातशें उलोवन हे आमचे कावन्सिलाचो फंड जो आहा तो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो मातसो दिवन कितें हेल्प आवट करपाचो. कित्याक कावन्सिलर काम करपा जाल्यार ताका हे पयशांची गरज आसा.
थँक्यू सर. एज अ चीफ ऑफिसर तुमच्या अंडर एक बरो मोठो इनिशिएटीव लॉंग पेंडींग एक्चुअली. सो आयज हो इशू जेन्ना चालू जाल्लो आसा, हाऊ डू यू लुक एट इट?
एक्चुअली तुमकां सांगपाक म्हळ्यार इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप एक्चुअली. कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसली द सिच्युएशन ऑफ द रेवेन्यू इन द मडगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील इज व्हेरी बॅड. तुमी पयला आसतलें, ताका लागून आमी ऑलरेडी आमचे मॅन्युअल रिअसेसमेंट आमी स्टार्ट केल्ले. पण कितें आसता की जे एजन्सी ऑर एक स्पेशलायज खंयची एजन्सी करता काम, इट इज लायक अ फूल प्रूफ आसता, म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट डेटा आसता. सो आमकां एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट डिसिशन आमकां हे एक्चुअली एक कोलब्रो एक एजन्सी आसा, ही दॅट हॅज बीन अपॉयंटेड एंड ऑलरेडी दे हॅव स्टार्टेड इन नॉर्थ गोवा. सो साऊथ गोवा दे वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट. सो हांवें सगळ्यांत पयलीं रिक्वेस्ट केली थ्रू चीफ स्टुडंट DMA की इट शॅल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मोरमुगांव बिकॉज द फायनान्स सिच्युएशन इज व्हेरी बॅड. अशें आतां ते सांगता आसतना because of the HPCL somehow at present we are able to clear up the dues, but we have to think the long term. अशें न्ही की फक्त आजचे आनी फाल्यांचे चिंतले. We have to think long term. Council will keep on changing after 5 years. CEO also will keep on changing, but the payment of works, the development works, whatever we have to do, that shall continue forever. So हो जो data आसा, लास्ट जो data आमी reassessment केलो 1997 लास्ट टायम आमी पयलीं सांगिल्लें. So now it's been almost 27 years that we are not having the exact data. कितले extension जाल्ले आसा. आमीच तो काय एक 2 वर्सां स्टार्ट केल्लो, बट इट इज जस्ट लायक इट्स एवरी टायम कन्ज्यूम बिकॉज विथ आवर लिमिटेड स्टाफ वी कॅनॉट कंप्लीट ऑर वी कॅनॉट फिनिश इट. सो आतां हे 27 वर्सांक जाता आनी तुमकां खबर आसा 27 वर्सांक खुबशे चेंजीस जाल्ले आसा. सो आमकां एक्झॅक्ट डेटा मेळटलो वीच आय फील दॅट एटलीस्ट इट्स गोईंग टू डबल अप आवर एटलीस्ट हाऊस टॅक्स रेवेन्यू पार्ट. सो दॅट इज व्हेरी इट्स गोईंग टू हेल्प अस टू एटलीस्ट फॉर एक्झाम्पल आतां सरान कशें म्हणलें जशें की वी आर नॉट डिपेंडंट ऑन डेव्हलपमेंट ग्रांट्स ऑफ द कमिशन. So if this works out properly, we'll be able to do development works from our funds only. In the long run, I'm talking about. So it is going to help us in a very good way. So it's good that we are starting, and also they are very kind enough that they are going to start with the Mormugaon in South Goa. So, sir, हांव परत सरान सुद्दां रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली आसा, बट आय ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पब्लीक, मेन मिन्स पब्लीक, खास करून मागीर ते गव्हर्मेंट इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आसात लायक नेवी and MPT or GSL, they also shall cooperate in this आमचे जो मोहीम आसा. And also the councillors, they also shall tell there shall not be any differences between the council and MLAs also. We shall be on the same page म्हणटा पळय तशें, so that we get the proper data from them, begin data मेळपाक जाय आमकां, so that we can start implementing the same in the system, because it's a process. आज म्हणून फाल्यां ते आमच्या सिस्टमाक घालपाक शकना, तो डेटा येतलो, then we have to validate. There is a process as per the Goa municipality say, तो process करून we are at least planning to implement it from 1st April 2025. So तेन्ना सुद्दां आमकां 25 hardly 10 months is remaining, but ते सुद्दां करपाक जाय आमकां जाल्यार we have to start immediately, and that's what we are now planning to do.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
काय